Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Webflow SEO for clean structured content step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Webflow website. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu at the top of the screen. Hover over the Pricing tab and click on the Features option. Scroll down to find the SEO section on the Features page. Here, you will see a brief overview of Webflow's SEO capabilities. Next, look for the Get Started button. This will direct you to the plans and pricing options available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and desired password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Webflow dashboard. From there, click on the New Project button to start your website. In the Project Setup window, select a template or start from scratch. After you've chosen your layout, you'll enter the Webflow Designer. Here, you can begin structuring your content. To enhance SEO, click on any text element to modify its properties. Ensure to use appropriate heading tags like H1, H2, and H3 for organization. Utilize alt text for images to improve accessibility and SEO. This will allow you to add meta titles and descriptions for each page. Finally, make sure to publish your site to make the changes live. Now, you are set up to manage clean structured content effectively in Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.